શરૂ કરીએ આપણે. તો આજે આપણે હું કંઈક સમજાવું અને તમારા પ્રશ્નો જે હોય એને સાઈડમાં આપણે મૂકી એના કરતાં પ્રશ્નોત્તરીનું સેશન જ રાખી લીધું કે જેથી તમારા જે પ્રશ્નો છે આ પ્રશ્નોને હું વધારે સારી રીતે સમજાવી શકું અને તમને જે કન્ફ્યુઝન છે એનું સોલ્યુશન મળે. ઘણા બધા પ્રશ્નો છે અને આપણી પાસે લગભગ અડધો પોણો કલાક છે. હું પ્રયત્ન કરીશ કે બધા જ પ્રશ્નો લઈ લેવાય. માની લો કે ન લઈ શક્યો તો એ કેસમાં આપણે આ બધા જ પ્રશ્નો 1 to 1 હું ભવિષ્યની અંદર પણ આ જ રીતે ફેસબુક ઉપર અથવા તો બીજી કોઈ એની લિંક જનરેટ કરી અને તમને એ પહોંચાડી શકીશ, મેગેઝિનમાં આપીશ. તો આપણે શરૂઆત કરીએ. સૌથી પહેલો પ્રશ્ન છે કે વોટ ઇઝ અ ગુડ બ્રીથિંગ પ્રેક્ટિસ એન્ડ હાઉ ઇઝ બ્રીથિંગ કનેક્ટેડ ટુ મેડિટેશન? So see what is a good breathing practice. Breathing is connected with the mind. When you talk about breathing in normal life, you are taking a normal in and normal out. Let's say if you are so angry, when you are angry, observe your breathing. When you are observing your breathing, at that time the breathing will be fast. Think about the situation where you are so discomfort, you are not feeling good, you are not feeling happy. Observe your breathing. At that time you can see that the breathing is going fast. Opposite to that, when I say when you are calm, you don't have any worries in your mind and you are sitting quiet and observe your breathing, your breathing will be slow. It's not fast. If your breathing is slow or your breathing is fast, it totally depends on your activities of mind, what mind is doing right now. Same way when you are doing meditation, when you are in meditation, gradually as you go deeper into the meditation, your breathing will reduce, the timing of the breathing will reduce. It will go deeper and the timing will be reduced. The more mind is clear, there are very few thoughts in the mind, the worries are not there, the problems are not there, the breathing pattern will become large. Normally if you take a breath, you are taking in, you are taking out, you are fast. But when you are doing meditation, yes, a breathing system will change and it will take you to the higher level of consciousness and your breathing pattern will change. So that's why it is connected with the meditation. Even sometimes if you see the people, if you see the suggestion, if you find something on Google that if I want to reduce my anger, what I have to do, you definitely find an answer. You definitely find an answer that do one thing, take a deeper breath. Whenever you are feeling, first you identify that the anger feeling is coming in yourself, the emotions are coming out, and at that time if you don't want to let it come out, then the first option is that you have to take a deep breath. So when you inhale long, when you exhale long, automatically you are reducing the power of mind. Same way in meditation we are doing opposite thing. We are not focusing on breathing. But when we do meditation, when we go deeper into the meditation, naturally the breathing pattern will be changing. It goes larger and larger. So this is how it is connected with the meditation. And the good breathing practice is that normally it says that when a baby baby take birth in this world, at that time if you see the birth of if you see the pattern of that baby when he is taking breath and is taking out breath, in that case what happen, he is taking in up to the stomach and he is taking out up to the whole emptiness of the stomach. So this is how it works. So at that time the baby don't have a mind, he have a mind, but it's very you can say it's null. But as the mind develops, mind have a control over body, your breathing pattern will change. So on the reverse or on the contrary situation, I can tell, if you want to control your mind, take your breath to the stomach and take it out from there. When you inhale, normally what we do, we inhale up to the heart and then we exhale it. So because see, there are mental condition, there are physical condition, everything will be there. But if you want to be healthy mentally and physically, try to take a deeper breath even in your normal life, in normal situation, you will be calm.